Let's go back to meteorologist Ben Dery, talk about the weather. You've got kind of a perspective on the month of May for us, right?
Yeah, it's actually, well, we're wrapping up the month of April, one of the wettest Aprils on record, right?
Yes.
We didn't see much rainfall today, but we're going to end up being the third wettest April, at least in Seattle, on record. So yeah, it's been pretty month, especially the first half of the month. Now I do have some better news for us. This is a map that shows temperature outlook for the month of May, starting the 1st and ending on the 31st. This is from the Climate Prediction Center, and notice most of the country is expected to see at least somewhat above normal temperatures, especially the Four Corners region, well above normal. That's for temperature. How about rainfall? Well, we're actually looking at below average rainfall for the Pacific Northwest through the month of May, something we haven't seen in quite a while. And you can see the center of the country expected to see above normal precipitation. And that's good news considering how much rain we've seen so far the last month and a half or so. Right now, things are pretty quiet in and around downtown Seattle. Even though it's been cloudy most of the day, we really haven't seen a whole lot of rain. And the Mariners are not in town today. They will be back in town tomorrow. The rooftop should be open just like it is right now. 56 degrees, so a bit on the cooler side. And those temperatures are probably going to stay near maybe a couple degrees cooler than average, at least for one more day tomorrow before we start to see that decent warm up with the sunshine returning by the middle half of the week. This is our radar satellite composite. Notice mostly overcast across a good chunk of the region. The exception through the strait, out along the coast, especially the north coast and the San Juan Islands, starting to see some clearing as well. Some drier air is beginning to drift in from the north, and it looks like that drier air will give us more in the way of sunshine over the next couple of days. At least for now, we're still under the influence of this broad trough of low pressure, which is giving quite a few showers for areas in southeastern Oregon. You can see over mountainous terrain, quite a bit of shower activity there. This trough will be sliding off to the east, and in its wake, here comes this nice ridge of high pressure. The same one that gave us the nice weather last week, although this one probably not giving us 80s, but certainly we could easily see temperatures in the 70s by Wednesday into Thursday. Once we head into Friday, the ridge kind of weakens a little bit. That'll allow some slightly cooler temperatures to roll through. But for the most part, we're not really looking at a great chance for widespread rain. Certainly not like what we saw earlier on Saturday over the weekend. In the meantime, up in the mountains, while the snow continues to melt up there, you'll be seeing quite a bit of meltwater, maybe a stray rain or snow shower up there at least tomorrow morning, but no additional accumulating snow, past winds westerly about 10 miles per hour, and the snow level right around 5,000 feet. That also got me thinking about the North Cascades Highway. Work continues up there to clear that part of the Cascades. It's closed between mile marker 154 and 163. Still clearing a lot of the avalanche chutes, and still no set date for an opening date. The forecast does call for warmer temperatures, at least in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Here's your 7-day forecast. 63 degrees with some afternoon sunshine. Overall Tuesday looking pretty nice. By Wednesday, mostly sunny. That's a really nice day of the week. We'll keep the sunshine through Thursday. Onshore winds will cool us off a few degrees on Friday, maybe see a few clouds as well. The only real chance for showers we have, just a few spotty showers by next Saturday.